All right, we're going to set up your formatting for your analysis essay. So the first thing you want to do is if you have more than one page of the essay, you want to set up the page number. Now, if you don't have more than one page, then skip this step and you just type in the heading. But don't do the heading in the header, just do the page number in the header. So we're going to go to Insert, and we're going to do page number, top page, plain number 3. Once you have that up there, we're going to type in your last name, and I'm just going to put in Smith here. Once you have that, you want to go to different first page. After you do that, it's going to disappear for a minute, and you're going to go back to page number, top page, plain number 3, and you'll type the name again. I don't know why it has to do this again, but you have to do that to get it to where it needs to be. Then once you enter and you go down to the next page, your last name and page number should pop up there. So there it is. All right, the other thing is you want to make sure it's the same font as your essay, and I told you I wanted 12 times New Roman, so we're going to change that, well, 11 times New Roman. So we're just going to change the font here so it matches. And then we're going to go back and do the MLA header. Okay, so once you change that, just come back down to the body of the essay and you're going to double click to get back to where you need to be. So now we're going to type in your heading. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and fix everything at once. So I just right clicked or left clicked on the name and then just kind of highlighted that whole part. So now I'm going to come and fix the spacing. So the first thing you want to do is you want to remove that extra space that's there. So just click remove space, and then we're going to go and click on 2 because we want the whole body, including the heading, to be double spaced. So once you click that, it should have 2 and you should have add here. There should be no removes there. Now we want to change it to 12 times New Roman. And so we're going to continue with the heading. You're going to put in my last name, your class period, and type it exactly like I'm typing it here, nothing different. And then whatever your class period is. And for example's sake, I'm just going to put first period. And then 22 January 2018 because that's the due date. All right, and then we're going to hit enter, and then we're going to go to center, and we're going to type in the title of your essay. Poetry analysis of, and then I'm just going to put the eagle. You're going to put in whatever your title is that you're doing. Hit enter again, and it's still center, so you need to go back to the left margin. You're going to tab, and then you're going to start typing your essay. And it will automatically double space and go back to the margin for that paragraph. So once you're done with that paragraph, you're going to hit enter again, and it's going to take you to the next paragraph, hit tab, and then you'll continue. So that's how you set up your analysis essay MLA formatting. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.